All right, you guys, we're back with another hack. This is a 2010 Mazda 3, no keys at all. Now, Mazda is in the Ford family, so you're going to need 2 keys for this because we got to do all keys lost, okay? Now, we have to get the key cut code first. The easiest way to do it is through the handle. You're going to need a T25 star wrench to get it off, okay? We're going to go and untwist this, okay? As we untwist it, we're going to pull it out just enough so that it's going to be hanging. Now, you don't want to push it out too much because you'll detach it from the activator inside the door, so you don't want to do that. But you want to pull it out just enough so that this piece does come out, like voila. Now, once it comes out, you twist it because the key code is on the bottom handle here, okay? Now, once you get that code, you go back to your machine. This is a Condor XC Mini. Okay, you put in Mazda, and then now the code that you just got, put it in there. Easy. Now, have to have 2 keys. Gotta have a metal key, and you gotta have the transponder key. Now, like I said before, you're gonna need 2 keys in order to do this. Now, the easiest way to do it is if you have a super chip and you can program 2 super chips and just cut 1 key. Now, go back to the door, see that the key does work the door. Now, we're gonna go through the process, okay? Now, first thing first, make sure that the car has power, okay? Gotta hook it up with some good cables. First thing, okay? Now, I am connecting to the OBD. I had to pull down the panel because the OBD was missing, so I had to find it, not a problem. I'm using the Autel programmer. It's a great programmer. If you don't have it, I do recommend it highly. Now, follow the simple instructions. It's Mazda. Okay, we're gonna go to manual selection. It is a Mazda 3. Okay, it's a US Mazda 3, 2010, 2013. Okay, now you do smart key. Now you follow the steps. Okay, now what you want to do again is all keys lost. You do all keys lost, and you have the 2 super chips or 2 transponder keys. You just follow the steps. It's very simple, easy peasy. Okay. Now, mind you, if you don't have the push to start fob, the key that you have made for the door does work the ignition. It just does not turn. These cars do not turn the ignition. You just put it in, and the car reads it. Now, you see it, car is running, you know, car is on, 2 keys programmed, but only has 1, simple hack, and we are good. Like and subscribe.